Hey guys, want to show off my new space pen. Well, over the past couple of weeks I've been thinking about upgrading my EDC. So what I did was I basically carried around a piece of paper and a pen, and I said, well, anything I need in the next week that I don't have on me, I'm going to write it down. And over the course of that same week, anything I have on me I don't use, I'm going to write that down at the end of the week as well. So of course, first thing that went on the list was a pen. Because a pen hasn't always been part of my EDC. I've messed around with a couple different like tactical pens and things like that and just never really been happy. You know, they all work for me, but just I find myself not carrying them because I get sick of explaining at metal detectors what they are, and I get sick of people saying, oh geez, what do you need that for? You know, that kind of stuff. So I wanted to go with something that was easy enough to put on my keychain so I would always have it with me, and that I would also, you know, be of decent quality, that I could use it in bad weather, rain, snow, cold weather, warm weather, etc. So, of course, what comes to mind but the space pen. Now, I was doing a little searching around, and this little trucker pen is, you know, kind of met my needs. So I ordered one. I've been messing around with it for about a week and a half or so now, and been really happy with it. So I wanted to kind of show it off and show this is a space pen, so it uses a space pen refills. They're about like $6. They're not anything too crazy, but these things are, you know, famous for, you can write upside down, you can write when they're wet, you can write, you know, when there's a twister, you name it, you know, just very versatile. The refill is pressurized, so it pretty much will work all the time. And one of my concerns about ordering these is that I was worried that the tops would pop off on me all the time. And this one actually has a lot of friction to it. It's a rubberized coating as well. And the insert in here that holds it in place is brass. So they didn't cheap out on it. And we'll open this up real quick, so you can see as well. And you can see the threading and all that on here as well is brass. So this is actually a pretty decent quality for the money pen. So I've been real happy with it. It hasn't popped off the keychain yet, which is awesome. That's kind of like my, basically what I'm waiting for is just to pop off the keychain, and it hasn't yet, because pretty much once it starts doing it, it's done. So I'm going to give it a good run. We'll see. Does it last a month, 6 months, who knows? But I really needed a small pen to put on the keychain, because pretty much it's the one thing I always need and don't have. So I got to make this part of my EDC. I'm not using the carabiner at all. I'm actually not even using the split ring. I'm actually just putting this directly onto my keychain as is. But it's kind of nice. It's small. It doesn't get in the way. It fits in the pocket. Fits with my keys. And so far has not popped off. So we're going to keep using it. And like I said, guys, this is maybe like a $12 pen. I think I got it for maybe 12 bucks online. Not expensive. Not too bad. Refills are like $6. So it's definitely affordable, and it's going to suit my needs. And hopefully in a couple of weeks, I'm going to make some changes with my EDC. And you're going to see some EDC update videos on that, because it's actually quite a bit different than it was in my last video.